How to master audio in Audio Director. First of all, open Audio Director on your computer and load the project you want to master. Next, navigate to the Mix section from the top menu. Start by adjusting the volume levels of each track using the faders to ensure a balanced mix. Use the pan controls to position audio elements across the stereo field, giving your project clarity and separation between tracks. Then use the equalizer to enhance or reduce frequencies, making your audio sound balanced across lows, mids, and highs. You can also apply effects such as dynamic range control to manage dynamics and noise reduction to remove unwanted sounds. Preview your project frequently while making these adjustments to ensure your audio remains natural and cohesive. Once you are satisfied with the mix and overall sound, export your audio in the desired format ready for streaming, video, or any other platform. Now you know how to master audio in Audio Director. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.